Your Android phone actually has several powerful tools built directly into the system, and most people use their phone for years without ever discovering them. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most useful hidden dialer menus, what it does, and when you should use it. This menu isn't an app. You don't download anything. You don't need special permissions. You access it by typing a specific code into your phone's dialer, just like you're making a phone call. Once you open this menu, you'll see detailed technical information about your phone that normally stays hidden. First, let's talk about network information. Inside this menu, you can see your real signal strength, measured in numbers, not just signal bars. Those bars you see at the top of your screen are simplified and sometimes misleading. Here, you can see exactly how strong or weak your signal actually is. You can also check what network type you're connected to, like LTE, 4G, or 5G, whether mobile data is truly active, if your phone is properly registered on the network, and whether your connection is stable or constantly reconnecting. This is extremely helpful if your internet feels slow, calls drop randomly, or mobile data doesn't work even though the signal looks fine. Next, there's battery information. This section shows real-time battery details that most battery apps can't fully access. You can see battery health, charging status, battery temperature, voltage, and power usage while your phone is running. If your phone heats up, drains fast, or charges slowly, this menu helps you understand why, instead of guessing. For example, you might discover your battery temperature is unusually high, your phone isn't actually charging at full speed, or a connection issue is causing extra power drain. This hidden menu is especially useful when your phone feels slow or unstable. Instead of assuming your phone is old or broken, you can quickly diagnose what's actually happening. Now, an important warning. This menu is mainly for information and diagnostics. Some sections include advanced settings meant for technicians. If you don't know exactly what a setting does, don't change it. Incorrect changes can affect your signal, data connection, or network performance. The best way to use this menu is to observe, to understand, and to troubleshoot problems, not to randomly tweak settings. And the best part? No apps required, no ads, no subscriptions, no downloads. Everything is already built into your Android phone. If you enjoy learning simple hidden features that make your phone more powerful and easier to understand, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. You'll be surprised how many useful tools your phone already has, once you know where to look. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.